Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you chicken manchurian. I've already shown you how to prepare chicken manchurian balls using the same manchurian meatball recipe. I'm going to prepare the manchurian with sauce today. So here I've finely chopped the onion, ginger, garlic, chilies. We also require a chicken stock cube. I've already prepped and reserved my chicken mince, and we'll need some egg, and if you want you can add tasting salt for this recipe. So here I've added chicken stock cube to my chicken mince, finely chopped ginger, garlic, onion and chilies to the chicken mince. I've also added one egg, and we need to combine all of this in the chicken mince and allow this to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. So do try this recipe, friends. It's very nice. This meatball recipe is something my dad really enjoyed, and he used to ask me all the time to prepare it. So you can see the chicken meatballs is very simple and easy to prepare. I'll allow this to marinate for 15 minutes and we'll start preparing the chicken meatballs. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. Now you can see after 15 minutes, I'm going to start preparing the meatballs. I have reserved a quarter cup of water in a bowl. Just before you prepare your meatballs, add salt as per taste. Because you add salt ahead of time, your onions will release a lot of moisture and your meatballs will become very soggy. So just before preparing meatballs, I've added salt and combined chicken mince. We'll combine this well, and we need to prepare the meatballs. Because if you add salt ahead of time, your onions will sweat and it will release a lot of moisture. Your meatballs will become very soggy. I've taken a non-stick pan here and added just 2 teaspoons of oil to the non-stick pan. You can use any pan, but non-stick pan, it does not require much oil. Now I've reserved quarter cup of water just to dip my fingers in the water and prepare the meatballs. Now I'll prepare small lime size meatball. I'll place it in the pan. Once you prepare all your meatballs and place it directly in the pan, we'll place the pan on medium flame. We'll cover the pan and cook the meatballs on medium flame. If required, you can add quarter cup of water. If you feel the meatballs is very dry, then you can add quarter cup of water and cook the meatballs. Here I have not added any water. The meatballs itself released a lot of moisture. With gentle hands, I kept turning it and I fried it for 2 to 3 minutes. In roughly about 6 to 8 minutes, my meatballs were ready. It is that simple. You can prepare 3 batches of these meatballs and you can store this in the refrigerator and use this meatballs in different recipes. So this is very nice and versatile recipe, not only for Manchurian. You can use it for different recipes. You can prepare kofta curries, you can prepare meatball fried rice. So this is very nice and tasty. Try this recipe, it's very tasty. So once I have removed the first set, for the second set of meatballs I have added tiny amount of water in the same pan and 1 teaspoon of oil. Now I'll place the second set of meatballs and I'll cook the meatballs. I'll cook the chicken meatballs in the same manner. I'll cover it and cook it for 6 to 8 minutes. I'll gently keep turning it till it's well done. So this is very nice. You can serve these meatballs as it is with some pepper powder, topped with some pepper powder. It's very nice and tasty. Try this recipe, friends. Now let's start preparing the Manchurian sauce. I've heated a wok on medium flame, and to the wok I'll be adding some oil. Use some sesame oil, preferably use sesame oil because it adds flavor and taste. So I've added very less oil to the wok, about 2 teaspoons of oil. Now I'll be adding chopped capsicum, onion, ginger and garlic. We'll fry all the ingredients for 2 minutes. I also prepared a Manchurian sauce ahead of time. I've used tomato puree, soya sauce, corn flour, chili sauce, salt, pepper, and I reserve the tomato puree in a glass. So I measured and added about 1 cup of the Manchurian sauce. This Manchurian sauce is very simple to prepare at home. I'll list all the ingredients whatever I've added in the Manchurian sauce. So now I've added the Manchurian sauce. I'll give this a good stir. You can add a quarter cup of water to cook the sauce with the veggies. Place this on medium flame. Now I'll add salt as per taste. We have already added soya sauce, so don't add too much salt, otherwise it will become very salty. Add salt as per taste and white pepper powder. We'll give this a good stir and allow the sauce to boil for 2 minutes. I've also used black pepper powder in this recipe because it enhances the flavor and taste. Now you can see the sauce has boiled well and it's thickened in roughly about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point I'll add my cooked meatballs and we'll cook the meatballs in this sauce for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll cover the meatballs and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the iCard above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. All my other social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now you can see the meatballs have cooked in the sauce. I just kept tossing it for 2 minutes and it's done. I served the chicken Manchurian with some fried rice and really enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, do like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. I've also posted other chicken meatballs recipe. All the recipe videos will be linked in the iCard above this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching.